Here we have a quick follow-up video of the Onetigris Solo Homestead. This one is on the rain protection and whether it leaks or not. Here in the UK we've had a good 12 hours plus of heavy rain and wind. As you can see, we've still got plenty of wind. And the inside, this has been up all the time. Got it. That's the puddle where it seems to have leaked, where all the rain's come down that side. But everywhere else there's rain there, where the sides have just come on it. Nothing this end. That's all fine. The roof. It's held up very well. This is only, as I say, 1500 hydrostatic head it's supposed to be, and it's held up really well. I will spray the roof when it finally dries out, but I always like to make sure the roof is sealed. Yeah, I'm well happy with this, and other than that one leak down there, for some reason, can't even see where it probably come in. It might have just been where the rain was running down there, seeped through the bottom. But I'll probably give that a spray as well, see if I can cure that. I'll see where it is under the Onetigris that end. So yeah, it's got a pass on the rain test, because it's had a really good test in this wind and rain for 12 hours, and as I say, no leak, just the bed spinning here all the time, and no rain on the bed. So yep, give it a good pass on the rain test, and I will seal the roof a bit more anyway with some spray. I may do the sides as well, depends how much I've got left, because that bit's a pain. If I put some gear that in, and that had soaked in the bottom of the gear perhaps. But yeah, that could have just been run under, water running under the actual tent and then seeping through the bottom bit. I don't know, because we have had an awful lot of rain. But yeah, this is give it a pass on the rain test. If this helps everyone, thanks for looking. Bye.